What is up, guys? How are you? Hope everybody's having a great day today. Um, Today is day 5 of my Attraction Marketing 101 5-day mini series. Basically, today I just wanted to kind of wrap up the last 4 days, kind of just put it into perspective for you. Do my glasses look like they're crooked? Anyway, all right. So basically, on day 1, we talked about getting very super clear on who your target market is. This is who you are speaking to. Okay, so you want to know exactly the type of audience that you want to promote your products to, or have join you as a business partner. And to do this, you need to kind of align yourself with them. Like what kind of problems are they having that you can solve, right? What kind of questions are they asking that you can answer? You know, now, are you looking for like a stay-at-home moms, or people that are looking to lose weight, or people who are just sick of their circumstances, and they're really looking to change their lives and create financial freedom, or maybe just people that are just looking to make a few $100s a month. Just get super crystal clear on who it is that you are trying to target before you even start doing any of the rest of the work, okay? Because you need to narrow it down as much as you can. That way, you are really speaking exclusively to people who want to hear what it is that you have to say and what it is that you have to promote for products. Okay, so that was day 1. Day 2, we talked about let me see, getting attractive to your target audience. Okay, so that you are actually attracting people to you instead of you having to go and chase them. So we talked a little bit about how you become attractive to your target audience, and basically this is through providing value. Instead of just posting about your products and your business opportunity, you want to be putting out a lot of value that is going to be genuinely useful and interesting to the people that you're speaking to, right? And you can do this like in the forms of blog posts, video training tips, you know, any kind of marketing advice, things like that. Or it could be product related. Like if, again, like say you're in the weight loss industry, you could make, content around ways that are going to help your target audience lose that weight. If they want to fit in their skinny jeans, or they want to get into that bikini for to go to the beach, or maybe they're just looking to lose a couple pounds, or maybe they're looking to lose 50 pounds. You want to kind of wrap your value content around that. That's going to help them do that. Okay, so that was day 2, becoming attractive to your target audience. Day 3, we talked about having a daily method of operation, a DMO, that you can look at every single day that's going to keep you focused on the money-making activities that you need to be doing every day to build your business, okay? And I went over what those exact steps were. So I'm not going to do it right now, just for the sake of this, the length of this video. If you want, you can go back to day 3 and rewatch that video, or you can reach out to me and ask for the basic DMO, and I'll be happy to send you a link over to that, so you can grab yourself it's free DMO, okay? No money, you don't need to pay for it. Number 4, yesterday, was branding yourself. Why is branding so important? We covered a little bit about that, and then I gave you some tips on how to brand yourself. You need to figure out if you want to lead with your business or if you want to lead with your products. Either way, you can brand yourself around. You can even do both, but usually people pick one over the other strategy and just run with it. Okay, you want to get to know who your target market audience is, and you want to become an expert in something. Okay, if you're not an expert in something, not a problem. Just pick a couple people that inspire you or that you're learning from, and get some value from them, and then turn around and teach what you learned. It's super simple. Okay. You want to share your story. Let people know what your struggles were. What have you overcome? What, bleh, can't talk. What is your journey? Like, where are you headed? What's your vision? That kind of thing. Be yourself. People want to know the real you. Now, don't be a fake. Don't tell people that you're making $10,000 a month if you're not. It's okay to be real. It's okay if you're even not having success to this point. It's okay to be transparent and genuine about that. It's okay to have your kids running around while you're making videos or trying to build your business. Okay, you work from home. You're building a business from home. And the more people see your kids running around behind you, the more they're going to be like, well, then I can do, I can do that. If I can have my kids running around in the background and still work on my business, and awesome, I can do this, So you want to make it to your audience that, just, it doesn't take a whole lot to work from home. You don't have to be a professional. I mean, you want to be kind of professional, but you don't have to you don't have to be making hundreds of thousands of dollars and have work in a big studio with all this high-tech stuff to make it work, basically. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Just be yourself, just build your business around the person that you already are. Let your personality shine. Let people get to know the real you. It's okay to be you, basically. All right. You want to be consistent, show up every day, do something. I mean, it doesn't, even if it's just low production, just maybe you can't really put in a couple hours worth of work. Not a problem. Just show up and just do something, just do something every day. Even if you can only put 15 minutes into your business, just do it, show up for 15 minutes. Do what you can, but do your best to be consistent. You want to have long-term vision, see the bigger picture, where is your journey taking you? What is the end picture? Where do you want to be? What are you working towards? What's your why? It's very important. And let your audience know what your vision is, what your why is, so they can share that with you, okay? And number 8 was create a logo, or you can brand yourself with a different color palette. This is not necessary, but it does help people start to recognize you. If you're using the same colors in your content, people are going to start recognizing that. Or maybe you use the same emojis, or you have a certain Facebook cover header or whatever that stands out. Just something that people are going to be like, oh, yeah, okay, I know that person, That's optional. Again, you don't need this to brand yourself. You're just basically branding you. You're not branding your company and products, just as long as you're branding yourself. That's all that matters, okay? So that's about it for the 5-day mini-series. I hope you got something out of it. I know it wasn't really that much in depth, but it was a mini-series. That's all it was intended for. So if you, I hope you got something out of that and it helped. I genuinely do. So if you are looking to start a home business and you're not sure how to go about that, or you haven't found the right company yet or the right team, and you're curious to learn some more information on what it is that I do, reach out to me. We'll have a conversation, and I'll be happy to show you exactly what we do. The type of team training and support that you would get, and exactly our strategy that we use that help us pull in, generate leads every single day and make those sales and signups. If you already have a business and you absolutely love the company, but maybe you're just not seeing the success that you really want, or you just need some help with some marketing, I can help you out with that too, no problem. Just reach out to me. I'll be happy to share with you. I'm a part of an attraction marketing community where we have that kind of training that teaches you exactly how to use attraction marketing to really stand out and become attractive to people instead of you having to chase them. So I'll be happy to share that with you as well. So just reach out, even if you just have questions and, you just maybe need a little bit of guidance, I'm always here. So feel free to just reach out to me. send me a message. We'll have a conversation. But thank you so much for watching or engaging in this 5-day mini-series with me. Hope it helped you. And I will see you on another video. Take care, guys. Bye.